Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a photo album in PowerPoint 2016. Let's get started. At first, go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and choose the photo album option. Then we can see here the find disk option. Now you choose your photo from your file. Now I am select the image, then press Ctrl to select multiple image. Then click insert. Then we can see here 5 image we inserted. Now we want to make the album. You can add the all picture black and white, otherwise make the all picture caption below, etc. Now I am select create. Then wait some moment. Now we can see we make a photo album very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and share my video. Thanks for watching.